Hey y'all, today we're back with another dessert, lemon lime no bake cheesecake. So what you're going to need is graham cracker crust, cream cheese, condensed milk, and we're also using lemon juice and lime juice. Alright, so what you're going to do is start off by cutting your cream cheese into little squares. This just makes it easier to mix. What you can do, what I didn't do because I was kind of in a hurry that day, but you can go ahead and let the cream cheese remain on the counter until it's like slightly cool. The cooler it is, the easier it is to manipulate. I had taken this out of the refrigerator maybe like 10 minutes before preparing this dish, so it's a little bit harder to work with, but hey, we're gonna get it done. So you just cut it into squares and you want to get ready to go ahead and put it in your bowl so we can get this going. Alright, so just place it into your bowl and then you can break it up a little bit more, however you want to do it. Just loosen up these squares a little bit so it'll be easier for mixing. So you can just use a knife and just cut into it and just keep going until you have it broken down as much as you want before mixing. After that, we're going to go ahead and add the condensed milk. Y'all, if you've ever worked with condensed milk, it is plenty sweet, okay? So that is all the sugar that you need. Cream cheese is not sweet at all, so it definitely won't be too sweet for your recipe. So you want to go ahead and add a whole can of condensed milk into your bowl. And so we're going to get ready to add that and then get ready for the next ingredients. Okay, so we're going to add our lemon juice and our lime juice. This cheesecake is not going to be super firm like New York style cheesecake. So if you want it a little bit firmer, what I would suggest is that you cut the lemon juice in half. We use 6 tablespoons of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. So if you want a little bit firmer, just cut it in half. And you want to refrigerate this at least overnight. Even 24 hours is great since it's such a soft cheesecake. The longer the better. Alright, so you get all your ingredients into the bowl and you want to use a hand mixer so you can mix everything up really good. And as you can see, like it's a little bit lumpy. That's why I mixed it so long. I cut the mixer, showing you all the mixing down just a little bit because I mixed it up so much. But when you let the cream cheese stand on the counter a little bit longer, it's not as lumpy. But if you don't, like I did, just work with it. So I mixed it a little bit and I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to stir it around, and then I'm going to go back with my mixer and mix it some more since I went ahead and served the size of my bowl, and then we're going to go ahead and finish it off after that point. And also y'all, as the cheesecake sets in the refrigerator, it won't be clumpy. It won't be clumpy like you taste like little parts of cream cheese or anything like that. As long as make sure that you mix it up pretty good prior to adding it into the refrigerator. Okay, so we're at the point that we want to go ahead and finish up with the mixing process. You see it's already thicker than it was a little while ago. It thickens as it sits, right? Even more in the refrigerator. Okay, so we're going to get ready with our pie crust, y'all. Pre-made pie crust makes it so much easier to go ahead and just put your ingredients right in there for a quick dessert. Okay, so what you want to do is take the plastic top out. Comes with the top and everything, y'all. Okay, take the paper out, and then there's some glue, for the paper to adhere to the top. You want to make sure that you are gentle so you don't tear your top, and you want to make sure that you wash that. Alright, and so we're going to add our mixture right into our pan. We're just going to pour all our contents in there, and of course we're going to smooth it around and make it nice and smooth and pretty and stuff like that. And y'all, if this is the first time that you're tasting it, you may want to just try it plain, but it's really good with cherry pie topping. You can get that right in the store. Get the can, chill it in the refrigerator, take it out, and put it on your individual slice of the cheesecake, or you can just put it all over the cheesecake. I've never done it like that, but either way, y'all play around with some toppings. But this is a nice, quick, and easy, delicious cheesecake to make, especially if you've never made cheesecake before, y'all. Lemon lime no bake cheesecake. Y'all see how we just put this top on there real nice? You just crimp the edges and stuff like that. It's airtight enough, and you just pop it into the refrigerator. And like I said, best overnight or even up to 24 hours if you have time for that. I know it's hard, it's tempting to go ahead and eat it, but let it chill and set. As always, we appreciate you watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll definitely catch you next time.